Hello everybody, this is part 3 on a step-by-step tutorial on how to make this In the Happy Corner kit. If you want to watch part 1 or part 2, go to the description below where I also include timestamps. And without further ado, let's get started. Now it's time to place everything inside, starting with the library. First I'm going to glue the big bookshelf right against the back wall, then glue the side table in place along with the old coffee house sign and newspaper bin. Then we are going to glue the chairs, the table, the shelf and the side table in place in the room directly below the library/office. Moving on to the next shop, cut out the bakery sign and glue it above the welcome roof. Then glue the biggest shelf against the wall and the French stick basket in the front and the smaller shelf right on the edge of the paper. Now that we are done with the entire shop, we can glue the entire thing in the tin box. Now when you add the shops in, you have to thread the wire through the hole. What hole am I talking about? Well, remember those weird semicircles? Well, those are the holes. The holes on the boards be glued on the top of the first board. You want to thread the wire through the semicircles as you put the shops in and pull the LED lights wire through the battery hole. And I'm just going to tape the wire more securely to the box. Next, glue the hanging clock in place along with the big pot plant and the telephone box at an angle. Then we can start gluing the plants in place, adding some flowers as you go, following the pictures in the manual, or you can follow this video. And guess what? I found my small bookshelf and I'm going to glue it opposite the side table. And now I'm just going to glue all the little pot plants in place. Then take the darker green plants and crumble up the plants to create a kind of plant powder. Then sprinkle it on top of the boards. Now that we have finished the shops, all that's left to do is add in the menu, finish installing the lights, and of course, stick the templates onto the lid. To install the lights, just take the 3 pink wires and twist them together, and repeat with the purple wires. Like this. Then take out the sticker sheet they give and cut out 2 small strips, and wrap them around the end of both wires. Then stuff the extra wires into the hole and glue the battery cover on top of the rectangle we glued at the back of the battery cover, which slides perfectly into the cutout. Then cut out the templates and decide which ones you want to stick on the tin box. Then go ahead and stick them on the tin box along with the little teacup and the big book. And now our project is finished. You can go ahead and put it on the wooden bunny stand. For the overall review, I think this is a really fun project to do, especially in quarantine right now because of COVID-19. It is quite a time-consuming project, but it is convenient, and they give almost everything but scissors, tweezers, and tape if you want it. But otherwise, I never ran out of glue. It is an excellent kit. And now that I mentioned the glue, I left my glue on my drawers, and the glue dribbled down and dried almost completely clear except for the air bubbles. How cool does that look? And the manual is pretty confusing, but otherwise I really enjoyed making this, and I hope this helped you make or decide to buy your kit. If you want me to review more kits like this, click subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment down below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!